Good morning. Today I'm giving my view and opinion on this BLACK+DECKER Lithium 12-volt impact driver. We use this to raise and lower our leveling jacks on our camper. These are typically used for, like, if you're building decks or something that is hard to drive a screw through, then this is what you want to use, because gives that impact effect to it instead of a regular drill, and it just helps drive the nails into the wood or concrete or whatever hard surface you're trying to drill into. But we use it for our stabilizers on our camper, because otherwise you're gonna have to use the little hand wrench and take you 5 minutes of sweat and tears rolling that thing up manually. We just use this small driver right here, and brings it up and lets it down within seconds, as opposed to taking minutes just for one. And you have to you have to buy the adapter that fits on your stabilizer. Goes right there, but it works pretty fast. Oh wait. That only took like 5 seconds as opposed to 5 minutes trying to screw that thing up manually with the hand crank. But I definitely recommend this for anyone, for a beginner, pop-up camping or RVing, whatever, where typically the bigger, like Class A's and most of the travel trailers have electric jacks, but a pop-up camper is going to have to do it manually. But it's pretty compact. You don't need nothing real big. This is big enough to do the job. And I mean, you can also use it for other stuff too around the house. You can use it as a regular drill if you want, But when you need that extra kick, this does the job. But yeah, it's one of the less expensive ones on the market for its size. For a 20-volt, most of them are running between 80 to 100 or so dollars. This one runs about 70 something on Amazon. I'll be posting a link below for you to check it out. But yeah, this does the trick though. And it also has a light. I forgot to mention it has a light on the front of it. Like if you're doing something at night, you need that extra light. It has a light on the front. And it also has a little magnet where you can put your screwdriver drive at the top there. And the battery comes off pretty easily, and it charges pretty fast. Just, whenever we go out, I use it, then I just put it on the charger a couple of hours before I have to use it again, and it's good to go. But yeah, but 1 out of 10, I give this definitely a 10, because it's a lot of bang for the buck. It does a lot for its size. So thank you for viewing my video, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, just click on the link below. And until next time, thank you.